Hey guys, what's up? It's the Toaster Waffle here, and I want to show you the TNT nuke thing I made. So right here, you'll see that this TNT is different from the little icon. Right there, it says nuke. So it's from the SDK mod pack. So I installed this just today, right after I came home. But what it does is it gives you amazing amounts of stuff, like a laser-guided rocket launcher and laser-guided rockets. Like, they go very well together. And look what I can do with this. /time night, and then there's even night vision goggles for when it's starting to get dark. You just press N, and it illuminates all the animals. And just right-click and so there, you see, I totally pwned 2 chickens and a cow. So I basically spent half an hour planting all that nuke TNT over there. So yeah. And now I'm gonna blow it up. So I hope you enjoy. Minecraft was basically crashed. Ooh, that's one giant explosion. That's whoa. It even blew up a little bit of my house up there. So I'm gonna inspect the damage with you, just to. Holy crud! I wanted to see exactly how far deep that bedrock thing went, so I tried it out. Let me just show you what one nuke will do. It is actually quite devastating. So I just hit the nuke, and look what happens. See, it's 5 times the explosion, 5 times the fun. Oops. Nope, that didn't work. The defuse. Yay, I hit bedrock. Set. Jump. 40. Whoa. Slash. Set. Jump. 0. You know, I'll just wait for when I'm at the ground to do that. Set, jump. Let's go for more 20, okay? Perfect, but a little too high, but it just has to do. Anyway. That's funny. Let's see if I can make it over the wall. Huh. Die, you dumb wall. Well, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my little commentary there. Thanks for watching, and I'll hope you watch my next video.